exploring Tvindefossen Waterfalls, Stalheim Panorama view and Gudvangen fjord. Norway has a lot of waterfalls. Some of them are long cascading vines of water. We are here at one of the famous waterfalls in Norway.
Need to take picture of the falls before it disappears.
Yeah, before we will take the picture of the falls for it disappear at the island. Hi. Kupatong ko dai? Ang kumataga ko ba? Now, I'm here on the top. I'm standing here, one of the stones. Wow, that's nice. 110 meters high. Tourists like me actually thought it was human-made. This is a unique shape of waterfalls here in Voss. It is said to be a source of eternal youth. That's it. Oh, I love the sounds of waterfalls as it is plunging down from up above. According to my niece, this is a drinking water, so I should drink for this. Why not? I am thirsty.
Water will make you stay young forever.
Mainom daw ka na nga tubig kung gusto ka mayang forever.
Yeah? Mag-wish?
Forever young.
I should wish you that I will become a young man.
The water here will make you young forever.
Norway 100% drinking water. So now I have tasted. Let's see if I could chill forever. Oh, say something. Drink more. Oh, what is the taste? Good?
Like Coca-Cola.
According to Einar, this water will become younger.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah. Let's take a photo as a mark that we are here in this place. Now we drive to the next place, and it is called Stalheim Hotel.
white stone
Yeah.
with the garage
Yeah.
is coming from here.
Ah, yeah, the white
The white
stone.
stone outside the garage in my house is coming from this mountain.
Okay.
Here especially, they inside here, you see
Also
here,
the water is a little...
yeah, the stone is white. You see here, they taking out the stone.
Ah, no.
It's special stone.
Okay.
We will not check into the hotel, but we are allowed to make pictures and video.
Very nice. The premium tourist guide.
The tree is growing. The tree is
The
growing.
small roof there, yeah.
Because no more space on earth, that's why they grow on top of the roof.
It's another place again here in Norway. So nice here in Norway. That's why I like it. Everything is free here because of our family. Chi.
Or else we can't afford to pay all these things here. One more, take a photo.
Come.
Oh, this is so interesting here. I know. Oh, this is a cave. Oh, we're passing now under the cave. Oh my goodness.
Here they have a machine.
Okay,
Here.
okay.
And I have a shooting camera.
So, my camera is the only one who can reach that.
But here,
Yeah, you have to stick for the camera.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you can
So-
make the view there.
Wow! Wow! So, I will make more. Wow! Our tour guide already ran.
One more, take a look here. Another place again to explore, and then we drive ahead to Gudvangen.
Now we are here in Gudvangen.
Gudvangen is a small fjord village in the heart of the beautiful Naeroyfjord. It is surrounded by high mighty mountains and a beautiful fjord landscape.
Isn't that nice? This must be so beautiful here, this place. Wow!
has been receiving cruise ships since 1850s. The Viking houses. Please don't forget to watch the next video. Thank you for watching.